Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with the October curated bead box. We have Silver Shadow. This box also is made by the sister store dollarbead.com, and you can go to that store and use these codes to find beads if you need extras. This box also has a starter findings kit in it. Let's see what we've got. This one's monochromatic this month. The first item is a 10mm Dalmatian Jasper style glass bead, which is an 8-inch string. I don't know if that's this one because this is the only 10mm. That could be it. Yep, that's this one. It looks like a marble, not Dalmatian Jasper, but it looks like a faux marble. So these are 8mm, but they're saying a 10mm white opaque gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. One of the things they say in this box is bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. So I'm guessing they had to go down to 8mm. We have an 8mm iris crackle spray glass bead. I love these. They have like little drops on them and they're crackle. You know, I like crackle beads. 8mm Jasper gemstone bead. So it's just like a gemstone or stone bead strand. We have a 6mm Jasper style glass bead. Again, it's like that faux marble. This one's a little bit darker, well, a lot darker. It's gray and white. It's fun. We have a 6mm silver crackle glass bead. Again, really like silver, I really like crackle glass. We have approximately 1 ounce of designer glass bead mix. Let's see what's in here. A bunch of crystals and glass beads. Very sparkly. Every single one of those is going to be a little bit different. It might have the same beads, but probably different quantities of each one, depending on what you get. 20 by 8mm silver metal spacer bead, 4 beads. These are really cool. I actually looked through this and I didn't see these before. Love those. Those are really fun. 10mm diamond silver metal spacer bead, 15 beads. These are pretty cool. Probably use those in our project today. 6mm silver metal bead cap, 26 caps. I'm guessing this is the 6mm one, but they're very close in size to the 4mm that we're going to show you in just a second. This one has 40 caps though. I'll take them out because they're really tiny, but they're cute. I like them. I have 3 different styles of charms that are all purses, but they're all different purses. So let's look at them here. We've got this one. I love like the little beaded detail on the handle. Super duper cute. I do love me a purse, by the way. I don't use them very much, but I do like them. I used to collect them when I was a teenager. I was obsessed with purses when I was a teenager. This one's super duper cute too. I love the little details on them. And then this one's a little more dainty. Love it. Little pocketbook. Super cute. And then we have a 38 by 16mm silver metal hook clasp with ring. These are nice. It's a nice clasp. I like that. So we're obviously going to make something today. I think I want to do a necklace, but I don't know what that is. And then the metal findings kit. Well, it's not all metal, but the findings kit is silver this month. So let's make a project. The things that stuck out to me were the clasp, all the metal beads in the caps. I liked these. Actually, like pretty much like everything, but I don't know what I want to do. All the beads go really well with each other. I don't know if I'm going to use the purses. I'm just not, like, I like them for certain things, but I don't have it in my brain right now that what I want to do with those purses. Let's see what crystals we have. So I think I used these last month, actually, on the last box. That's kind of a cool bead. Do I only have one of those? No, 2. Okay, so this is a fun place to start. I'm definitely going to be using a lot of these crystals, I think. I don't know that I'm going to use that one. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like the crystals with the stones. these, the silver crackle, the stones, the crystals, and then the metal beads. I think that's what we're gonna do. I don't know what the heck this is gonna look like, but let's get started. Somebody had a real big problem with my watch in one of the videos, and I was just like, all right, people, like, come on, my watch is my watch. I'm not taking the watch off. I just the things that people decide to dwell on, it just baffles me. Okay, let's go with those there. I'm gonna do a little bit of that action. I'm just freehanding this necklace. I have no idea what it's going to look like, but it's just, that's the fun. Like, sometimes just kind of go for it. If you just don't know, just start putting beads together. Have fun with it. It's not so serious that you can't have fun, right? Okay. Let's see. And then I'm gonna kind of do that same pattern. Again, 5 more beads right here on either side. Go into that. I don't know if I'll have enough of these crystals to do that, but I have more things over here. Like, do you see how fast that pattern came together? That's all I'm doing. And then in the back, I'm gonna just kind of finish off with these and my silver beads. This is probably the fastest thing I've ever designed. I'm really just gonna grab my stringing material from here. Stringing material, crimps, jump rings, and clasps. And maybe we'll make a bracelet, but I don't know. So really, I'm just gonna string that all. I'll do the beginning part just so you can see what it looks like on camera, but then the rest I'm just gonna do off camera because it goes so fast if I do it that way. Instead of using any clips or anything, I just put a knot in one end, just a loose knot. So I'll start with this bead. And then so there's just the middle of the necklace, and you can always hang something like here. That would be really fun. And I'm just gonna repeat this pattern up the sides. And in just a few minutes, we've got a really fun layerable necklace. You can wear it by itself, but it's got stones, it's got crystals, it's got metal. It's fantastic. Gonna grab my crimping items now. So I need 2 crimped beads. I need 2 jump rings. Actually, you know what? We don't even need the jump ring stick. These have nice loops on them. We're gonna crimp right onto the clasp. The fun part of this is, like, I can put a pendant. I don't know if I have a pendant around here to show you what I'm thinking, but like, I can scoop a pendant onto this later on, and I can wear it in the front of the necklace, if I'm so pleased. But I'm just gonna take one of my crimps, come through my loop, come back down through my crimp, grab my crimping pliers, those wires are crossed, so I want to uncross them. And I don't use wire guards for jewelry that I'm just making on my channel, or for myself, because I'm not that hard on my jewelry. But if you, I mean, they're totally preference thing. Now, if I was making a necklace to sell, I probably would use one. Or if I was making like a really nice like heirloom gift, I would use them, but you don't have to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and squish, turn 90 degrees, squish again, squish one more time, and then come down here, come through a few beads, just so it looks more polished at the end. You can cover that up with a bead cap or a crimp cover, but I'm not gonna do that for this necklace. I'm gonna move everything down. Of course, I'm spilling beads left and right. And I'm gonna, just to make my life so much easier, cut off that knot. Find my next crimp, put that on, and then come through my loop. Come through this. And then I'm gonna come down through a couple of my beads here. And we'll pull. I got some things in the way that are preventing my necklace from moving. So we'll move that around and then pull because we got some leverage. We want to keep it in a loosey-goosey style so it's not straight and too rigid when we're crimping. Keep pulling. There's something preventing this from, it might be this crimp bead. There we go. Keep pulling, just keep pulling. Imagine if Dory was a jewelry designer. Okay, making sure there aren't any noticeable gaps. There's a little bit of one right here. So you know what, I'm just gonna trim my wire. Normally I don't, because what if I have to crack off the crimp and then I need to re-crimp. Don't know why I can't get in there for this one. There we go. Keep moving, move everything back down. Pull. There we go. And then we'll just do our squish. 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 And then we will cut off our excess here. There we go. We've got a very pretty necklace in not a lot of time. Is everything coordinated? And sometimes you don't need a necklace with a huge pendant. It's just fun to throw this on. I have so much stuff that'll go with this, and sometimes I love layering. So, and you can also probably wear it as a bracelet too. So let me see if I can. Didn't really measure for that, but would you look at that? I've got a three strand bracelet. That's fun. Just kind of fiddle with it to get it going the right way, but that's fun. I can wear it as a necklace or a big bracelet, and it's not too loose, so that makes me happy. Jewelry with duality. Well, thanks for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to Curated Bead Box, you can save 35% off your first box by using coupon code TURQST35 at curatedbeadbox.com. That is an affiliate code, helps my channel. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. You're such a baby. Yeah, you're such a baby. Yeah, you're such a goober. You're
so bossy. He's such a bossy girl. There's your little Grinch toes.